The Management Console is a web-based enterprise platform that allows you to manage virtual spaces and member permissions in your VIVERSE for Business environment. Your role in your organization determines your level of administrative access in VIVERSE for Business. Any organization member can have one or more roles. Only account owners, building owners, and space owners can access the Management Console. Depending on your role, you'll be able to assign new account owners, add members to buildings and spaces, and more. Account owners manage the organizations in your VIVERSE for Business environment. This includes assigning new account owners and distributing seats to buildings. Building owners manage one or more buildings in your organization. This includes assigning new building owners and adding members to their building. Space owners manage one or more persistent spaces in any of your organization's buildings. This includes assigning new space owners and adding members to any persistent space that they own. Regular members can only access buildings and spaces they've been added to. They don't have access to the Management Console. To sign in to the Management Console, open your computer's web browser and go to this URL. Click Start, then choose a sign-in method and sign in with your business account. Select your organization. If only one organization is registered with your account, you'll be taken directly to the Management Console. If you don't have admin rights, you'll be taken to the User Console. When the Management Console opens, you'll see a sidebar on the left. When it's collapsed, click the menu button to expand the sidebar and show the full navigation menu. You can also directly access individual menu items even when the sidebar is collapsed. The dashboard provides quick access to important information about your organization, its buildings, and its spaces. Select what kind of information you want to view in the upper left. The Organization view shows details on your organization's resource usage, including seats and content sharing hours. The Buildings view shows how resources are being used by each building. Click the arrow next to a building to see an overview of its resource usage. The Spaces view shows how resources are being used by each space in a particular building. Click the arrow next to a space to see an overview of its resource usage. You can also click the Active Users tab to see how many users are currently active in the organization, building, or space you're viewing. The Buildings and Spaces section provides access to management settings and a change history for your organization's buildings and spaces. The Members section provides access to management settings for organization members, building members, and members of persistent spaces. The Roles and Permissions section shows the types of member roles and what parts of the Management Console they can access. You can refer to this section if you're unsure about the access permissions of a particular role. The Plans section provides details about your organization's VIVERSE for Business subscription, including how many buildings, spaces, and seats your organization has. You can also find contact information for our support team. Now that you understand member roles and the essential features of the Management Console, you're ready to start exploring the capabilities of VIVERSE for Business.